Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can take your skills to the market and offer your services to people looking to outsource tasks to make a little extra income every month. Who couldn't use that? Here's how to get started in 3 simple steps. Step 1, identify your skills. What are you good at? What services can you offer that others might be willing to pay for? Remember, you don't need to be an expert to get started. Just be a chapter ahead of who you are helping. Step 2, create your gig. Identify your skills and services that you're going to offer. A gig is simply a listing for a specific service that you're offering. Sharing what your work includes, how long it'll take, and the price. Step 3, promote your gigs. Sharing through social media, using Fiverr's own promotional tools, or reach out to people who might be interested in your services. Once you get that first gig, make sure you over-deliver. If you have a satisfied customer, they can leave you positive reviews and even become a case study for future projects. Woo!